Alright, so this is how to get the minigun in this map code. Oh, okay, you have the minigun. So you go over here. No, not over there. Over there. Over here. Actually, first, get a balloon if there's any balloons. I think so. Can you show me? Alright, so she got the minigun, and she's gonna show us. I know how to get there as well. So there's a seat. Alright, over there. That's what I know. Wait. I meant it's over there. Wait, it is over here. So right, guys. So follow her. Read. Over here, click on the secret button.
Oh wait!
You'll be teleported here. Can you show us which steps are there? No, I know this one's first. This one. Over here. Which one could be the next? Next one, over here.
It's cross. Every time.
I don't think it's a crop. Oh, maybe it is. Oh, wait. Oh my gosh, how did I get
Maybe
so
it's this
late?
one. Wait.
Throw.
Wait, how can we do an emote to throw something at it?
Do you have anything to throw? Cause I don't have any emotes to throw at.
Let's see.
But throw ah, dang it, why I do this to me? Nah, not this one. You know, I'm just guessing it's over here. I just accidentally fell down, guys. So go over
No,
here.
I fell in the lava.
So go over here. Follow me, bro. Where are you? Somebody? I'm here. I'm jumping. Alright. So he's gonna follow us. The minigun. And then we're going with it. Boom. Clap.
Well,
Bam.
someone put chugs there.
Click here.
I know what it is.
Do you have it? Okay. Which one can be next? No, not this one.
Okay.
Alright. So you're gonna be close to the minigun over there. Which one could be next?
Okay,
Which
I'll
one
try.
could be next?
Wait, stay there.
I'm thinking which one could be next. Now this one?
No, I'm gonna. God, bro.
Okay, I just found the next one. The next one's gonna be over here.
What?
Where is it?
You didn't get it?
Be?
Did you die?
No, I didn't die yet.
Bro,
I'm
where?
thinking which- What?
This thing is lost. Finally.
Okay, bro, let me try to complete this, alright?
Alright, here. Bam.
Oh my gosh.
Bam. Bam.
I just know where it is.
Bam.
Bro, I just know where
What was
it is.
it for here?
Yeah, there it is. I just found it.
You got it?
Yes, it's all you. Tell me which one. Can you tell me?
It's the left one.
The last one, then? This
Cross.
one?
Yep, and then cross again. Oh, never
Cross.
mind. Sorry. Okay,
Forward.
go forward. Here, right. Jump.
Cross. This.
Bam.
And
Alright,
this one,
I don't know
forward,
the...
then it's forward. Then it's forward. I know. Forward.
Okay.
Then it's this one. No, maybe not. Maybe not.
And then it's this one.
Did you die?
What? Nah, this kid is cheating. Cause he's making us go, and then he's trying to get to.
Yeah, that's what I think about. He just
That's what he wants to do.
He
Yeah,
just
and then he's
wants
gonna
the
use
minigun
it on
while
us.
I'm recording the video.
If he kills us with that.
Bro, he has the minigun. Alright, let me think about it. Oh, forward. Then you reach the minigun. I feel like he jumped. What do you do here? Oh. So go, we reach the minigun.
I didn't get it.
And it will be popped up over here.
Oh.
Here's the rainbow minigun. And it's insane, I promise you. It's pretty insane. Like, look. That is so insane, bro. Bro, it's me!
Oh, sorry.
It's a day, bro, it's a day. So that's how you get the minigun.
Wait, what's so good about it?
IDK.